what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's showbiz update guys, hindi maging may mouse mag-mission future sa update ang person. Slight may mouse. Hoy, ang gulo mo girl. So ang gulo ko, diba? So guys, huwag niyo pansinin yung asong tumatahol kasi wala akong ibang space na pagre-recordan para mag-update lang for Mission Gutierrez. Well, actually part 2 na to sa ganap niya last night at GAOC Christmas Gala 2023. So ayan yung mga taong nagpa-picture sa kanya during the event. So ayan siya. So ayan sila guys. Then ito na yung pa-speech. So ayan, man of the hour. So nakata giving his appreciation speech for his team, massive team of almost 700 plus years. So ayun si Mission Gutierrez guys, nakita nyo. So ano lang ng camp. So ayan, nagbigay parang kanta si JR and si Mika. Amazing vocals by our table mates and new friends. Ang katawag si JR and si Mika. Then ito naman yung pinost ni Mission Gutierrez sa kanyang Instagram. So ayan yung pinost niya. Ayan, One Last Glam 2023. So ayan, nag-comment yung makeup artist na si Miss Anthea Bueno. So ayan, ganda mo. Then nag-reply si Mission, thanks to you Miss Thea, love you. Then marami pang nag-comment yan guys. May nag-comment pa dyan guys. Maraming nag-comment dyan guys. Then sabi nga dun sa isang comment, nilikod tayo ni Mission Gutierrez, may nanalo na. So ayan yung video. Actually ito video na to is pinost niya plus may na-ID niya din. So ayan nga yung ganap niya last night at GAOC Christmas Gala 2023. Well, actually nag-search talaga ako kung paano siya basahin. Then hindi daw siya gaop. It's GAOC Dental Clinic. So ayan, then ito naman social media update niya. Ayan, back in my room. So ayan yung minay-day niya kanina. The next update, top 10 shows of 2023 worldwide. Thank you Kapamilya. Dirty Linen #1, Batang Quiapo Senior High. Dirty Linen dominates top series for 2023 on I Want. Ito naman another update guys is from a fan to guys. Sa TikTok lang to. So ayan siya. And si Mission Gutierrez kasama niya yung sister niyang si Max. So ayun lang guys, so ulitin ko guys, so makita niyong pictures and videos ito is credited to the rightful owner. Konting Mission Gutierrez update lang po, social media updates niya, then ganap niya, part 2 sa ganap niya last night at GAOC Christmas Gala last night. So ayun lang guys, hope you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe. Love that, ingat kayong lahat, konting Mission G update lang po.